Bosch 36 volt drill, SDS drill. This is the new type. Keep shutting down. Battery connections. Seems a lot more complicated than what it is and a lot more expensive, but if she's doing that, runs for a few seconds and cuts out. Sometimes runs for 1 or 2 seconds, sometimes you run for 15 or 20. No flashing lights, no problems. Put a bit of pressure against your battery. More than likely it'll be battery contacts. Now they look okay. These can wear away and burn away. They're not that bad. And the contacts on the battery itself are fine. I can see what the wiring's like. Get yourself a new retainer and simply swap this one for this one. All you need is a soldering iron to desolder this. No longer cutting out. There you go. Here for the same problem. Thing just won't keep running. Replace that part there. That's the battery retainer. That's what connects under your battery. As you can see, because of the vibrations, contacts eventually start to pit, lose tension, and once, even for a split second, if one of the terminals loses contact with that retainer, the computer just shuts down, stops the drill. Good luck with the trigger, pull it again to get it to start again. So that's it. Simple fix. Seems like an expensive problem where it keeps shutting down like that. You're thinking controller or a motor. It's actually fairly cheap, easy fix.